You've been told that these three functions represent salary in tens of thousands of dollars, so that's important. And you've asked which ones are linear. And as I look at the first one, f, I can see a power of 2, so that's a quadratic function. I can look at this one, and I can see that it's not a line. It looks more exponential. And so this last one, I don't know if it's linear or not, but I could see that for every year, 1, 1, and 1, the difference in salary would be $27,000 minus $7,000 would be $17,000. 44 minus 27 is also 17. And 61 minus 44 is also 17. So as we think about that, we would go over 1 up $17,000 each year. That is a line, so it would be g of t. And we would say the reason would be the slope is constant. We go over 1 year, up the constant $17,000.